How to make money on the internet with a new online business. In this video, we'll explain how to make money on the internet with a new online business. Welcome to Affluence Online, a place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. If you're thinking of starting an online business, there are some things you should know. Any new online business has the potential to yield a high income, but not every business is for you. You can make a wise choice early on by studying each opportunity carefully to decide which new online business will bring you the income you need along with the true enjoyment and fulfillment. When seeking a business opportunity, look for ideas and products that meet your preferences. Don't settle for just any type of online business. You will likely not be happy building and promoting the business unless it's something that interests you. For example, if you enjoy seeing others succeed, then you might look for an opportunity that allows you to help others start an online business. You can build wealth while helping them do the same. If you prefer selling products, such as ebooks while keeping to yourself, look for an opportunity that allows you to do so. Look for a business opportunity that fits your goals, lifestyle, and schedule. Find an internet business mentor. Success doesn't appear overnight, but it can happen a lot faster when you have a business mentor. A mentor is someone who coaches you along the way, sharing your experiences and often providing you with direct guidance for starting and promoting your new online business. A mentor has already paid the dues and has been through the tough times of building an online business. They know how to make money on the internet and build extra income using certain strategies, and they can share these with you. To find a business mentor, explore business opportunities that interest you and seek those that offer a mentor-type relationship. Some opportunities will ask that you invest a small amount of money to get started, and then a mentor is provided to help you with all the details. A mentor may contact you by phone or email or both. They might offer tips at the start and or continue to encourage you along the way. Follow the steps to make money online. Once you find a great business opportunity and a helpful mentor, it's time to take action. You'll need to persevere in daily building and promoting to succeed. Be sure to follow the steps offered by your mentor and be diligent in your efforts each day. An online internet business is not for slackers. It requires great detail and steadfastness to work. Your mentor can offer steps to follow on how to start your own website, how to add content to your website, how to promote the website, and how to build a solid customer base. While new business opportunities vary in many ways, these 4 musts are the basis for being successful with any opportunity. Are you enjoying the video? Be sure to leave a like and share with your friends. Once established, keep building. After establishing your new online business, it's time to start earning extra income. There are several ways to do this. You can grow your customer base with more promotions and by starting a referral system. You can add new products or services to your existing business. Each time you add new products or services, you'll have the potential to reach a new audience as well as sell more products to your existing customers for extra income. Or you can help others get started with a business while earning a commission on their sales as well. To find an online business opportunity that works for you, go online to explore the possibilities. There's the perfect online internet business just waiting for you to grab the steering wheel and drive to untold success. Thank you for spending some time with Apple. things online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.